Dear children, today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. Smile. In a village, there lived an old man named Abdul Rahman. He was a very pious and religious man. Every day, he would go to the mosque for Fajr prayer and teach people the Quran. He would tell them what Islam is and how we can attain Allah's pleasure. Abdul Rahman's only wish was that Allah would grant him a pious child, but he was childless. He was very worried and would pray to Allah, saying, "O Allah, give me a pious child, I will bring them up in your way." One day, Abdul Rahman's wife became ill. He was very worried and began praying to Allah, saying, "O Allah, give my wife health, I will be grateful to you. I have not been grateful to you many times in my life, but now I promise that I will dedicate my life to your path." Coincidentally, a traveler arrived in the village that day. He was very tired and asked for food. Abdul Rahman invited him to his house and fed him. The traveler prayed, saying, "May Allah give your wife health and grant you a pious child." Abdul Rahman asked the traveler, "Who are you and where are you from?" The traveler said, "I am a dervish and have come from afar. I heard your prayer and told Allah that I would help you." Abdul Rahman said, "Thank Allah, you have helped me. I am very grateful to you." The dervish said, "Abdul Rahman, you are very pious. Allah has accepted your prayer, your wife will recover, and you will be granted a pious child." A few days later, Abdul Rahman's wife recovered, and after some time, Allah granted them a daughter. Abdul Rahman was very happy and thanked Allah. He named his daughter Fatima and made great efforts to bring her up as a pious person. Fatima grew up to be a very pious and God-fearing person. She would read the Quran and pray every day. Abdul Rahman taught her Islam and encouraged her to follow Allah's path. Abdul Rahman said to the dervish, "You have helped me a lot, I am grateful to you. You are an angel to me." The dervish said, "Abdul Rahman, I did nothing, Allah has helped you. You are pious, and Allah helps pious people. Continue to work for Allah's pleasure in your life." Abdul Rahman said, "Allahu Akbar, you speak the truth. I will work for Allah's pleasure in my life." After that, Abdul Rahman became even more pious and began helping people. He would always thank Allah and teach people about Islam. He would tell them how important it is to work for Allah's pleasure and how we can attain Allah's help. Abdul Rahman's piety spread among the villagers, and people began to turn to him. He became an example for people, and they began to learn from him. Fatima also continued to follow Allah's path in her life and helped people. Dear children, if you liked our story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Smile.